watching Up North. An investigation is underway after an air ambulance narrowly avoided being hit by a drone last night. Yorkshire Air Ambulance said the lives of the crew were put in extreme danger. The team were returning to their base in Nostell Priory near Wakefield. The charity said it was only the quick reaction of the pilot which prevented a tragedy. Luxby Gopal reports.
This fictional storyline for a BBC drama very nearly became reality in the skies over Wakefield last night.
If the drone had hit the aircraft, we'd be telling a different story today. It would have been catastrophic.
Steve Wardby's colleagues were flying back from a mission yesterday evening. They were 1,300 feet in the air, travelling at just over 120 miles an hour when they had their narrow escape.
The paramedic who occupies the left-hand seat spotted the drone, alerted the pilot to its presence, and the pilot had to make an aggressive emergency manoeuvre to avoid hitting the drone. And the drone actually passed directly underneath the aircraft by only 2 to 3 metres. The crew were visibly shaken. He's a very experienced pilot. He's flown tours in Afghanistan, and this is one of the most frightening things he's encountered.
Ironically, the Yorkshire Air Ambulance spent yesterday working with the Civil Aviation Authority to create a film highlighting the dangers of drones getting too close to aircraft, as the number of incidents has soared over the past few years. Across the country, reported incidents involving aircraft and drones has gone up more than 20-fold, from 6 5 years ago to 125 last year. One Yorkshire pilot who's been flying helicopters for 3 decades recently experienced a near-miss himself.
And all of a sudden something caught my eye down at the bottom left-hand side of the screen, and it shot past about 50 feet below.
Robert took us up to a similar altitude that the Yorkshire Air Ambulance would have been flying at yesterday.
We're at 1,320 feet now, and I would be very shocked to see a drone up here. Full marks to the pilot for that evasive action. Things travelling at that speed, closing a small object, you might see it, you might only have half a second or 1 second to react.
There are strict rules around where drones can fly, and when those rules are broken, it can bring airports to a standstill, such as Gatwick last Christmas or Leeds Bradford in July. It's an issue that will only become more relevant, as a report predicts in 10 years' time there could be 76,000 drones operating across UK skies. Luxby Gopal, BBC Look North.